Oh, hey, what's going on? Today we're just going to do a little quick light dusting of the interior of my car. It's supposed to rain tonight, and so I don't want to wash the outside and have it get rained on 2 hours later. So I'm just going to take you through what I use on the inside just real quickly to keep the dust down and keep it maintained. So let's do it. So the products I'm going to be using to dust the car down today is the P&S Xpress Interior Cleaner. Use this on all the cars that I work on to just clean and maintain. So we're going to use this to dust it, and we're also going to be using the synthetic fiber detail factory brush to get in the nooks and crannies and to do the preliminary dusting as well. And then we're going to be using just the all-purpose towels from the rag company to mop everything up and finish dusting everything off. I just re-detailed the interior of my car 2 weeks ago, and so at that time I applied C6 Matte Dash again to all the interior bits of my car. So we don't need to use this again today, but we are just gonna get everything dusted and cleaned back up and ready for another week or so before we do it again. And of course, don't forget to wipe down your leather if you need to. Now, of course, if you need to vacuum, don't forget to vacuum, but on my case, we're good to go. Doesn't need it yet. And then for the mat, use the same interior cleaner. A couple mists on the mat itself without having to fully break out a hose. And then I'll just take one of these towels, give it a nice scrub. It's gonna take all that surface dirt off and basically be ready to put back in the car. And there you have it. That's pretty much it. Quick, simple. Like I said, we don't need to add any more protection right now, but everything is just nice and dusted and clean and good to go for another week. If you want to check out any of these products that I used for this video, definitely go to theragcompany.com. They've got all three of these things on their website. Feel free to check them out and try them for yourself.